what we're doing can't continue, and therefore we need to disrupt how we're doing business. Our very first use case delivered 186% ROI in the first year, and we're tracking to well over 500% over the next, over 5 years. Automation Anywhere is creating value for us by offering us products and services to enable us with back-end automation. We also leverage Automation Copilot and Document Automation as two other products that are core to the work that we do at Osaic. Many of the things that we do in our organization requires a user to go to multiple systems. We're able to minimize that swivel chair by using Automation Copilot. An example, our ACH process takes manually, I'll just round it to about 10 minutes to be manually processed, information taken off a page and entered into the system. With Automation Copilot and Document Automation, we're able to get that process down. We're averaging about 2 to 3 minutes right now. So you're looking at 70–80% improvement in efficiency of our processors. They're still adding value, but now they're only touching and having to update the work that needs the updates versus touching 100% of the work.